Hi friends. Okay, in this particular video, I am giving you a brief idea about data transfer instructions of 8086. Let us see what is instruction. So every line of program generally we are calling as an instruction. So if you take a program contains 10 lines, each line we are calling as one instruction. Let us see data transfer instructions. Generally for data transfer instructions, the syntax is mnemonic. Depending on the type of instruction, mnemonic is changing, then destination, comma, source. So here also, depending on the mnemonic, the data is transferred from source to destination. So we have three different types of data transfer instructions. One is move instruction, then exchange instruction, stack instruction. In that we have push operation and pop operation. Let us see one by one. So and remember, every line of program we simply call it as instruction. So let us see, if you write any program, okay, that program must be executed by microprocessor only if that particular if that program contains any instructions. All any instructions must be within the instruction set of 8086. Then only those instructions are executed by processor. That's why these instructions are very essential for writing any program. Now coming to data transfer, in that let us see move instruction. So name itself, this instruction is used to move the data from source operand to destination operand. So already we learned different addressing modes. So in those addressing modes also we observed how many ways processor can access the data. So all the addressing modes instructions are related to move instruction only. Okay, so in those instructions, the source operand may be data, may be address, may be register, may be indirect register. So we can write many examples related to move instruction. Okay, let us see some examples. First, let us see syntax. Syntax for this move instruction is MOV destination, comma, source. Syntax for move instruction. So for move instruction, it is MOV destination, comma, source. Let us see a few examples. AL, comma, ATH. So in this particular case, what happens? The data ATH is directly moved to AL. So we already learned this comes under immediate addressing. So this immediate addressing mode example comes under move instruction only, moving data directly to register. Let us say other move something like BL, comma, box of 2000H. So in this particular example, the whatever it may be the data present in 2000H location, that data will move to BL. So here the source operand in first example, source operand is data, destination operand is register, whereas here the source operand is address, destination operand is register. Reverse also we can write. Similarly, move AL, comma, BL. So in this case, AL and BL both are registers. So the data that is present in BL is moved to AL. So all are the examples of move instruction only. Okay, so right, indirect addressing mode example also. See here, move AL, comma, box of SA. So in this particular example, AL receiving data from the address that is specified by the register SI indirectly. For example, SI is 3000. So then AL takes data from 3000H memory location with the help of SI register. Okay, so this is called as a register indirect addressing. Like that, all addressing mode examples we can write here. Okay, this is simple move instructions. The syntax is move destination, comma, source. Coming to exchange instruction. So syntax for exchange instruction is XCHG, destination, comma, source. So syntax for exchange instruction is exchange destination, comma, source. In this particular case, the data that is present in the source operand and the data present in the destination operand both are exchanging simultaneously. Let us say example, for example, exchange XCHG AL, comma, BL. So in this particular example, what happens? The data present in BL and the data present in AL both are exchanging simultaneously. For example, before exchange operation, AL is 20H. Similarly, BL is 25H. So after exchanging, what happens? The 20H data will move to BL register and 25H data will move to AL register. So exchanging. Okay, now coming to other one, stack instruction. So stack always follows one principle, call it as LIFO. So LIFO means last in first out. So stack is always last in first out. So which instruction comes last into stack, that instruction will go out first. That's why LIFO, last in first out. So coming to push instruction, let us see what is push instruction. So for every 16-bit push operation, generally the stack pointer, there is a one register in the register organization called as SP, stack pointer. So for every 16-bit push operation, the stack pointer register is decrementing by 2 locations. For example, SP is 3050H initially. Now I'm performing 16-bit push operation. Then automatically, because of 16-bit push operation, 3050H location is decrementing by 2 locations. Then SP is 3040. 30 now you take 3052H for example. SP is 3052H, and now if you perform push operation, then 3050H is decrementing by 2 locations. So now new location is 3050H. So for every 16-bit push operation, stack pointer is decrementing by 2 locations. Okay, now let us see syntax for stack. Syntax for push operation, push. Now already, what is the destination? Destination must be stack memory. So if you write push to source, so source may be either memory or register. The data that is present in the source operand is moved to stack memory if you write push operation. Push means sending data to stack memory. So let us see one example we can understand effectively. If I am writing like this, push AL. So what the meaning? AL is already having 8-bit data, and this 8-bit data is now pushed to stack memory. Because of pushing 8-bit data to stack memory, stack pointer is decrementing by 1 location because I'm performing 8-bit push operation. For example, if I'm writing push AX, so because of 16-bit push operation, okay, so automatically 2 locations are decremented by stack pointer. So finally, syntax for push operation is push source, and destination is act like a stack memory. Coming to pop operation, pop is it is used to remove the data from the stack memory. Push is used to send the data to stack memory. Pop is used to remove the data from the stack memory. Because of removing, so for every 16-bit pop operation, stack pointer is incrementing by 2 locations. For example, initially before pop operation, stack pointer is, for example, 3052H. After performing pop 16-bit operation, then popping stack pointer is incrementing by 2 locations. So 3052H becomes 3054H memory location. Let us see syntax, how it is possible. So syntax is pop destination. So why we are writing destination here means source is nothing but stack memory. Already data is available in the stack memory, that is source. Destination indicates now we are popping the data from the stack and load it to destination. That's why pop destination push to source. See the point, pop destination push to source. Okay, this is the actually syntax. This is actually syntax. Now coming to example, how we can write. Let us see one example. Pop A. So what is the meaning? Already whatever it may be the data that is pointed out by stack pointer. Okay, that particular data is now moved to AL register. For example, stack pointer pointing out 3050H memory location. In that location, for example, 20H data is available. Then this 20H data is coming from stack memory of location 30504H to AL register. After executing this instruction, the register AL receiving 20H data. Because of removing 8-bit data from the stack memory, stack point is incrementing from 3054 to 3055. Like that, for every 16-bit pop operation, stack pointer is incrementing by 2 locations, and for every 16-bit push operation, stack pointer is decrementing by 2 locations. And stack follows LIFO principle, last in first out principle. Okay, and the stack instructions are related to stack memory, and selection of data is possible with the help of stack pointer register. Okay, now similarly for move instruction, we have some separate move instructions are also available, like move string byte, move string word. So those instructions are also comes under move instruction, but these related string operation. String nothing but group of numbers. Okay. In those instructions also we can use a normal move operation. Okay, these are about data transfer instructions. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching this particular video. Okay, if you really like, share my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.